In today's video, we're going to check out the 6 best free lead generation apps. Number 1, FindThatLead. If you have a B2B business, you may want to directly contact professionals at other companies. This lets you enter a URL address, then shows you contact information for people at that company. To unlock all of the information that FindThatLead has, create a free account. Paid plans start at $49 per month. Number 2, Boomerang. This is a simple Gmail add-on that lets you write emails and then schedule them to send later. You could also set reminders, which means it will tell you when you haven't heard back from a contact. You can use it for free with limitations, but for $5 per month, you get the personal plan. You won't have a limit on message credits, and you can add notes to your messages. Also, this isn't meant for big businesses, so keep that in mind. Number 3, Hello Bar. The homepage speaks for itself. 98% of visitors leave your website without taking action, and Hello Bar has a solution that doesn't require any developer know-how. You'll choose your pop-up based on your goal, whether that's growing your email list, getting more phone calls, or making sales. When you grow out of the free plan, you can start with the growth plan for $29 per month. Number 4, HubSpot. HubSpot has a ton of business tools for everything from CRM to sales, but for our purposes, we're going to talk specifically about their marketing hub. You can do a lot of stuff with it. The landing pages are great for conversion. Once a prospect is on your landing page, you can encourage them to opt in to a free trial, demo, email list, webinar, etc. Enrich landing pages with features like embedded videos and personalized CTAs. To create landing pages, you'll need HubSpot's starter plan for $50 per month. However, you can start using some of their free tools right now. Number 5, End.co. With this, you can create a proposal, add your branding, flesh out project details, and accept a contract. There's a lot more too, like accepting e-signatures, process payments, milestones, and so on. The free plan lets you create proposals for one client, and you can upgrade to a pro account for $18 per month. And finally, number 6, Loom. Rather than writing out a proposal or description of your product, why not take it to the next level by creating a video? With Loom, you could record your screen and your webcam simultaneously. This allows you to show off your product or services in an engaging way to capture customers. There's a basic free account that lets you create up to 25 videos, or you can upgrade to the pro account for $8 per month. And there you go. Those were the 6 best free lead generation apps. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.